Nick Ponce here, Mustang expert at South Bay Ford, and just wanted to show one of the really cool features on this new 2024 Mustang is the remote rev. This is how you use it. You hit the lock button and then you hit the button right under it twice. So for the first rev, you have to prime the engine. So you hit the on lock and then the lock one time. And then to get the full revs, you do it one more time. It's a really cool feature that you could use up to 9 times. And if you have any more questions about these Mustangs, my name is Nick Ponce here at South Bay Ford.